Well, good day to everybody. I haven't done a video in a while. It's about lunchtime, noon on I think it's June 15th. Um, it's a Thursday. Anyway, I'm heading to drum for somebody, and I've had a lot of people ask me, how do you roll the edge? Well, I'm going to show you. I've cut it off. It's about an inch taller from the ring, approximately. It's a question of how you hold the pliers. I have a pair of, well, I guess they're jeweler's pliers. They're round. Well, they're a little flat in there, but there's no grooves. And all I do, I'm gonna have to stand up to do this, is I go parallel. See where you don't want to start. You want to start on the side. You don't want to start or end on the spine. The spine's thicker. So I just go like this and just twist it. I went parallel. It doesn't leave any twist marks. And I get it tight and then pull it out. And then I stick it back in. I'm parallel with it. Somehow I don't want to get, now it's not wanting to. You see, it's leaving it pretty smooth. I can rub out some of those wrinkles. I try not to get any wrinkles in it. It's wrinkling for me today. I don't know what's wrong. I'm doing something different. Guess I'm not reaching back that close enough to the edge. I'm going right. I don't take much of a bite. And just keep going around. I'm right up against it. Now I've got it rolling. I keep my finger on the edge. See, it's nice and smooth, no wrinkles. Now, to show you how it's different, if you were to take and go like this and roll it, it'll leave you wrinkles. It's how you hold the pliers. And some people want that wrinkled rope look, but I don't care for it. I like it nice and smooth. Actually, it looks like a small piece of smooth rope. See how nice and smooth that is? I'm about to come to the spine. The spine's going to be a little harder because it's usually a little thicker. I just twist it. Now, right now, what I'm doing is I'm just twisting it until it loosens itself and I pull it out. It kind of does it automatically. Nice and smooth. Notice where I grab the skin with the pliers. Right up against the rim, right there. Okay. if you'll notice, I'm all the way around. I've got all this done over here. I got this done, a little wrinkled, but it's mostly smooth. And I just take the end and just as little as possible as I can at a time, and just keep tucking it in. Just kind of work it in. Every time seems a little different, but you just have to be patient with it and do it. Probably my last time I do the rest of my fingers, I think. And just take and twist it in with your fingers. Look at that. Okay, and that's it. That's what you call, I don't know, I've heard people call it different things, sushi braid or whatever, but if you like the smooth look, that's how you do it. Well, hope you appreciate the video and learn something. Have a good day.